kinds of sentences. A sentence may consist of just one clause. A simple sentence has just one independent clause. A simple sentence has no dependent clauses. Zain lives in Karachi. Here subject is Zain. Predicate is lives in Karachi. Verb is lives. A sentence may contain one main clause, and one or more than one subordinate clause. Sentence which consists of one main clause and one or more than one subordinate clause, is called a complex sentence. Zain, who is my friend, lives in Karachi. Here main or principal clause is, Zain lives in Karachi. Subordinate or dependent clause is, who is my friend. A sentence may contain two or more independent or coordinate clauses. A sentence which contains two or more coordinate clauses is known as a compound sentence. The ground was slippery and I fell down. This sentence contained two clauses, and the clauses are joined to each other by the conjunction and. Each clause make complete sense by itself. A sentence may consist of two or more coordinate clauses, and one or more than one subordinate clause. A sentence, which consists of two or more coordinate clauses, and one or more than one subordinate clause, is called a compound complex sentence. Zain, who is my friend, lives in Karachi, and Amir, who is also a friend of mine, live in Multan. Clause 1, Zain live in Karachi. Coordinate clause. Clause 2, who is my friend, subordinate clause. Clause 3, Amir lives in Multan, coordinate clause. Clause 4, who is also my friend, subordinate clause.